Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to do a quick video. I'm going to do an upper controller arm on F-150, I'm sorry. It's got a bad ball joint in it, so they say that the press-in ones don't fit them right or something, so it's cheap enough. It's 40 bucks, I think it was, for the controller arm. But yeah, we're just going to do a quick video on it. Thought some people might want to see that happen, you know. I'm going to go ahead and get this truck up in the air and get it ready, and we'll get right on it. Okay, I'm going to try to get some tools together. That way we're not running around back and forth. And yeah, let me do that real quick. If you could see real quick, watch how much this moves. Look how sloppy that ball joint is. Pretty bad. Okay, let me go grab some tools. I'll be right back. Okay, I went ahead and sprayed these up a little bit off camera. One thing I did forget to do, let me go unlock the steering column so I can spin this around. All right, let's get on it. First thing I'm gonna do is take out these upper bolts of the controller arms here. All right, we'll leave them in for a second. Go ahead and get this ball joint bolt off. I'll tell you what, this little Onyx small impact, I got it in 3/8 and half. These are great, powerful little things, I'll tell you. I think I got them for 80 bucks a piece or something like that. Yeah, I got pressure on the lower controller arm, so let me try to get it this way. I'm gonna just hit it with the hammer here and try to get it broke loose a little. There we go. Look at that thing.
Wow!
Woo! I was waiting to be an accident to happen. Yeah, this is a Master Pro from O'Reilly's, the one I'm putting on it. Well, you know what? I think that's wrong. Huh. Wow. Well, let me call them and get the right one. Okay, they brought me the right one. Let's get this bad boy in. Knocking everything out. We'll try to keep these same shims in. Sorry about that compressor. Make sure that's the same size. I don't know what that is. Let me go grab a 22. That one's just a little tight. Yep. Well, wouldn't you know it? Nope, it went. I was worried about that. They don't give you a new cotter key. Well, use that one, I suppose. Got no choice. Okay. Go ahead and get our wheel back on. Oh, got one more thing. Oh no. Went right on it, didn't it? All right, everyone, that's it. So just wanted to make a quick video on that. I appreciate you guys watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe if you liked it. Post something down in the comments there if you guys want to see something else. I'll try to make it for you. Thanks a lot. Until the next one.